So there is the gap. And as you could tell, the garage door opener needs a little bit of adjustment as well. Safety sensors. Here's a good example of the spring binding up. We call that snaking. Let me see if I can adjust that just a little bit, make it a little nicer. Hard to tell. The cable on this side is not as tight as the cable is on that side, so we're gonna make it a little more symmetrical. And should see a good result. So, stay tuned for that after the fact thing. Okay guys, so I've kind of put my little ingredients into the spring there so you can see it's straighter. And by ingredients, you know, I mean I made a little adjustment. This was not perfect, but these springs are super old. The balance is nice now though. Got yourself a nice heavy wind-loaded door. There you go. You can see that this baby floats with 3/4 of the door just hanging. So I'd say it's looking good. Boom. I had one of those C4 energy drinks, so my hands are a little shaky. Sorry about that for the camera. But these adjustments are gonna make it nice and easy on the machine, and we'll adjust that out too. And now you can see here, the door is pretty much on point with the frame, and that's how you want it. That's how we like it. Woo! So if you see here, I've taken off the old rubber, got the new one, the bottom seals, but upon installation, this is something that I'm gonna have to deal with here. It looks like maybe the door opened at one point and perhaps an SUV kind of grabbed the door and yanked it. So anyway, see what I come up with. So it's not done yet, but I came out here to check the bottom seal, and that's when I noticed the door is not square. So I should be able to square that up a little bit, and that should help with the bottom. All right, so as you can see here, I'm getting there. I have the door is actually sealed up all the way on the bottom, and as you can tell there, I had to redo the cable tension, which goes directly with the springs. The vice grip doesn't actually hold any tension. It just keeps the cables on. Don't ever use that to hold something under tension. Oh, hey guys, so a job done, and I'll show you here in a second. But the guys at Service Spring were really nice. They gave me this stuff to try out. Seems like it works pretty good. I'll do one more spray on the hinges, because I sprayed the rollers and the spring, both springs, because they were kind of rusty. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I literally just finished. So yeah, I'm gonna spray these babies and check it out. And thank you for watching, but hold on. All right guys, so here's the door afterwards. I was finally able to get rid of that giant gap over here. It was about 2 inches. The driveway had basically cracked about right here. So I installed the stripping, rewired the signal sending sensor, safety sensor on this side. The receiver was fine over here, but this side went dead, so both sides were dead, so it was that one. So basically, I reprogrammed the motor, adjusted the J arm, Oh, J-arm looks like that now, baby. Did some adjustments on the track on this side. Some adjustments on the track on this side. Some garbage. Stuff is pretty good, but watch how much quieter the door was from before. All right, here we go. Hold on, I just have to find these babies up right here. Okay. This door's a monster, so I'm gonna push it from the back. There we go, it's engaged. You can tell because this lever is now parallel with the ground. As you see here, the garage door. Once you clear the frame, you clear the garage door. Because before it actually looked like, an SUV smashed the door from the inside, so it pulled off the stripping, but here you go. Oh yeah, no more gap, baby. It's looking good. Hey, let's open it. So as you can tell, there's still some noise. This is the original door. All I did was adjust the living crap out of it. But everything's looking pretty happy now. Let me set this up for lube. All right, so these are brand new lubrication. Thank you, Service Spring. I'm gonna spray that over here on basically all of them. And if you like this, I have a whole video about how to lube your garage door. I've already done most of the other stuff. Already done the rollers, just showing you how you can do them. Done the springs, you can tell they're not quite so rusty. We're letting the lube get in there so that these babies twist nice and smooth. And you can see here, already lubricated this side, so same thing. But once again, I'm John. You may know me from Buster's Garage Door. Now I'm with Buster and the Deuce. Polk County, Florida, baby. Acceptable. Please like and subscribe and comment. Let's argue. Come on.